In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Calendar the default option on your iPhone. We all know how convenient Google Calendar is for managing our schedules, so integrating it seamlessly into your iPhone experience can save you lots of time and hassle. Let's dive into this process step by step to ensure your Google Calendar takes center stage. To start, you'll want to open the Google Calendar app on your iPhone. If you don't have it installed, simply head over to the App Store and download it. Having this app is essential as it will help ensure your Google account is fully integrated with your phone. Once you have the app open, the first thing you need to do is enter your email address into the sign-in field. This should be the same Google account email that you use regularly for all your calendar entries. After entering your email, click on Next, and you'll be prompted to enter your Google account password. Enter it carefully as you want to avoid any login issues. Once you've input the correct password, go ahead and click Next again to proceed. You'll now find yourself inside the settings of your Google Calendar app. In the settings menu, look for the option labeled Apps and tap on it. This option will lead you to another submenu. Here, go ahead and click Calendar. This section is crucial as it will show you all the accounts currently linked to your calendar. Now click on Calendar Accounts. This will bring up a list of all calendar accounts associated with your device. Ensure that your Google account is listed here. If it's not, you'll need to add it by following the prompts to sync your Google Calendar with your iPhone. Assuming everything is set up correctly up to this point, navigate back and scroll down until you find the default calendar option. Selecting this will enable you to choose which calendar you want to prioritize as the default for your iPhone. Finally, make sure to switch your default calendar to Gmail. By doing this, all new events and updates will automatically sync with your Google Calendar. It's a simple yet effective way to streamline your scheduling. And there you have it. Your Google Calendar is now set as the default on your iPhone. This small tweak can make a significant difference in keeping your work and personal life organized without any additional stress. Give it a try and enjoy the convenience of having your Google Calendar integrated directly into your iPhone's functionality. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy scheduling.